Today I'm going to show you how to turn white into black in Adobe Photoshop. First, select your Object Selection tool from the toolbar. Open the mode list at the top, and select the lasso. Create a loose selection of the areas you want to change the color. Now with the selection active, click on the group icon to create a group. Then create a mask. Click on the adjustment layer icon, then create a new curves. Now drag the rightmost point down. Then create a point in the middle, take it down as well for added contrast. To add shine, let's go back to the adjustment layer, then create one more curves. And take the slider from the right to the left. Click the FX icon, and choose the blending options. Hold the Alt key or the Option key, to split the black slider, and drag it to the right. Press OK once you're satisfied. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching.